Hi Leo.
Hi everybody. We're hunting butterflies.
And who have we got down here? Who's this?
Cass.
Ah, hi Cass. Hi Leo.
Hi everybody. Start this adventure.
Awesome. Let's have a look then. Right. So what do we think we can find then? So you said we're looking for butterflies.
And you might also find different animals.
Ah, what do you think we might hear? Are you looking for a horse, Cass? I don't think there's a horse on here.
That is a horse.
Where?
That is a horse.
Where's a horse?
That is a horse.
Okay.
Just there.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What are we looking at? Oh, is it a leaf?
Yeah, it's just dead.
Ah, and then we've got stinging nettles here, so we have to be careful, don't we?
Yeah.
Right. What else shall we find? Okay. What have we found, Leo? Oh, yeah. What colour are they?
No.
Cass, move your finger, mate. What colour are they? Wow. Okay, come on then. Let's go see what else we can find. You got one? Are you going to keep it safe? Yeah. Hey, go on then. Where? Do we think we can see it on here? I don't know if we can. Right. Oh, have you seen these flowers? Look at these ones.
They're white.
Yeah? Oh, are you keeping one safe again? Okay. Hurry up then.
He's keeping one safe.
This is what the lady was on about. Look. Look. Look, can you see the white butterfly? Look. Yeah.
Look, another one.
Where are we looking? Oh, are they all over here? Look, you can see a bee here as well. It's just flown off. Yeah, that's a big one. Go on then. Come on, Cass.
Like that because
Yeah, I've just noticed.
it nearly took a trip.
Come on then.
Flowers, don't touch them because they're on nettles.
Yeah, we can't touch them ones, can we? No.
They're not safe to touch.
Okay. Come on then.
Spider living on one of them, and I just saw it strike a fly.
Right, are you going ahead then?
Just
Go on
saw
then.
it wrap up a fly in his foot. Look,
Oh, that's a bit morbid. What are we looking at? Oh,
and another one.
It's gone from a butterfly hunt to a flower hunt. We're coming! We're all the way over there.
Come on! Let's a Minecraft!
Ah, but what have we got to do first?
Right, spelling.
That's it, you've just finished school, so that's what we got to do. Priorities.
In the book.
And your book.
I can do that with Mum.
But what else are we doing when we get home? What are we making? Which cakes are we making?
Roses.
Right, it's fine. I'll put that down. Go on. Have you picked up another flower, buddy?
Yeah.
Ah. Are you going to put it in Leo's pocket this time?
No, that has buds on.
No, it's fine. Oh, it's absolutely fine. Are you going to put it in your pocket for him, Leo? Yeah?
I'll carry it.
Okay. That's fair enough. I think you could be a butterfly.
I am not a butterfly.
What are you then?
I am Dad.
Oh, you're just Cass. Leo's a butterfly, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, Leo, you're a butterfly, mate.
Everybody at the house.
Are you going to say bye for a minute?
Bye.